Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to become a GNC athlete. First, immerse yourself in the fitness world and truly understand GNC's commitment to health and wellness. Begin by building a strong personal brand that aligns with these values, showcasing your dedication to a healthy lifestyle. Focus on consistent fitness achievements and actively engage with the broader fitness community. This foundational work is crucial for your journey. To build your foundation, strive for a high level of fitness and athletic performance, consistently pushing your limits. Maintain a healthy, active lifestyle, always projecting a positive and inspiring image. Deepen your knowledge in nutrition and supplementation, understanding how products support your goals. Actively engage with the fitness community, sharing your journey and inspiring others along the way. Now, let's craft your brand. Create compelling content that vividly showcases your fitness journey and achievements. Clearly highlight your genuine passion for health, wellness, and how GNC products support your lifestyle. Actively engage with your followers across all social media platforms, building a loyal community. Finally, prepare a professional portfolio detailing your athletic accomplishments and community involvement. For the final steps, thoroughly research GNC's athlete sponsorship programs and understand their specific requirements. Submit a well-prepared application that clearly highlights your unique value and alignment with the brand. Once you're in, continue to excel in your fitness endeavors, inspiring your audience daily. Always maintain a strong, positive, and professional relationship with the GNC brand, representing them with integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.